Hi everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. Today we will be making another St. Patrick's Day inspired item. We will be making Shamrock Shakes. I know there's a lot of videos or recipes about Shamrock Shakes, but I want to show you a recipe that I've made. It's really simple and really easy, so let's get started. What we will need to get started are 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. You can do vanilla, you can do chocolate, you can do chocolate vanilla, 1 1/4 cup of milk, green decorator sugar sprinkles, Hershey's chocolate syrup, mint extract, green food coloring, containers or glasses, and then we'll also be needing a blender. So the very first thing that we'll be needing to do is blend our very first ingredients to make our base. We're going to open the top of our blender, make sure it's set on high. We're going to add in our 2 cups of ice cream. Make sure it's not frozen, make sure it's a little melted. And then we'll be adding our milk. And then we're going to be only adding 1/4 of a teaspoon. And let me tell you, you only need 1/4 of a teaspoon. You don't need that much. It's very overpowering. Make sure not to get the extra on your hands because you will be smelling like mint for eternity. Then we're going to add in our green food coloring. To this, we're going to be adding 9 drops. And then we're going to blend this on high until everything is well combined. And then we'll take a small spoon and we'll taste it just to make sure. So let's blend it. It looks really nice. It looks really green. For safety, with a blender, you want to make sure that you have your hand on top of the blender at all times to make sure that the lid doesn't pop off or fly off. And make sure everything is screwed in correctly. And this is just for safety. And then we're going to blend a little bit more. Perfect. Plug your blender first, and then we're going to take off our top. It tastes amazing. Wait, that tastes so good. And then we're going to move on to basically our last step is just for pure decoration. You can have the shake all by itself, or you can add all of the additions, which I'm going to do. What we're first going to do is we're going to take our chocolate syrup, and we're going to line the inside of our glass. Now you tilt this at a 45-degree angle, I think, and then I'm going to pour chocolate sauce almost at the bottom rim. I'm going to turn it continuously while drizzling. It should cover the entire kind of outside of the glass. It should look like this. Then we're going to take our Shamrock Shake and we're going to pour it into the glass. Perfect. And then we're going to take our Cool Whip, which has been thawed out. You're just going to kind of dollop it on top. Perfect. And then this is also optional, but I'm going to be adding green sprinkles. So then we're going to sprinkle it on top of our whipped cream or Cool Whip. And then our last and final step to this, or I guess you can say second to last step, is put on some more chocolate drizzle because why not? Here we go. Oh, this looks so good. And then to decorate, we have our straw. Put it inside, and there we go. We made our Shamrock Shake. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you do this because not only does this taste amazing, but it looks amazing. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!